Apophis is big enough to cause significant local damage. In short, if Apophis hit the Earth, cities anywhere near the impact site will be vanished, and the long-term effects could affect the entire world's population. The collision would release energy equivalent to about 1,200 megatons of TNT, or multiple nuclear explosions. That's enough to wreak everything within a few tens of kilometers and cause wildfires over an even larger area. If the asteroid fell into the ocean, the consequences would be just as catastrophic. It could trigger tsunamis hundreds of meters high that would wipe out everything in a coastal area. The resulting dust and debris, or water vapor, if the asteroid lands into the ocean, thrown into the atmosphere, would cause drastic climate change. Apophis is possibly shaped like an egg or a peanut and measures about 370 meters, 1,214 feet, in diameter, 450 meters, 1,476 feet, long, and 170 meters, 557 feet, wide. To compare, the Tunguska impactor that flattened 80 million trees of the taiga forest was about 4 times smaller, 100 meters, 328 feet, in diameter, and the Chicxulub asteroid that took out the dinosaurs was about 27 times larger, 10 kilometers, 32,808 feet, in diameter. On April 13, 2029, by the way, that will be a Friday the 13th, Apophis will pass at about 31,600 kilometers, 19,600 miles, of the Earth, with an uncertainty region of about 3.4 kilometers. That's 10 times closer to us than the Moon, and also closer than the ring of geostationary satellites orbiting our planet. Around this time, OSIRIS-APEX spacecraft, once known as OSIRIS-RX, will meet Apophis and study it for about the next 18 months. This will be the closest approach to the Earth by an asteroid of this size that has been predicted in advance, so scientists couldn't let such an opportunity go to waste. Anyway, you might be more interested in whether this planet-asteroid rendezvous will end in an impact event. Apophis is a massive near-Earth asteroid that will come close to our planet in 2029, 2036, and 2068. Despite initial predictions made upon its discovery in 2004, Apophis won't hit the Earth. 99942 Apophis is a near-Earth asteroid that orbits the Sun about every 324 days. It was discovered in 2004. Initially, Apophis was given a 2.7% of colliding with the Earth in 2029. This prediction led to speculation linking Apophis with the biblical Wormwood, mentioned in the Book of Revelation as a star that falls from the sky, making the waters bitter and causing suffering for many. Although further observations ruled out the possibility of impact in the near future, a doomsday atmosphere still lingers around the asteroid. Even its name has a malicious aura.